When you want to take your cooking up a notch, you have to take your ingredients up a notch too. Shallots is one of those little ingredients that can take your cooking to really the next level, right? So a shallot is, it has a little bit of onion flavor, it has a little bit of garlic flavor, it's kind of a little bit of in between, but it's mild and really nice for sauces, really nice for a lot of applications. I use it in Thai cooking, I use it in French classical, and so if you have a choice between a red onion and a white onion or a shallot, try a shallot next time and see how much you like your dish a little bit more because of how the mild flavor will increase the actual overall depth of the dish that you're making. I'm going to show you today how to peel it and cut it and dice it a really easy way. Here's how to cut and dice a shallot, really easy, and use it to enhance your cooking. All right, here we go. So shallot, very much like I do an onion, I'm going to cut one end off. A lot of people try to keep this end, but I don't like all the dirt and the hairs getting in all my food. So I'm going to cut that end off, then I'm going to cut the other end off, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it in half. Once you cut it in half, that's the easiest way to peel the shallot. And if you have the green, I do like to peel that off a little bit. A little bit's okay, but you want to peel down a little so that you don't have as much of the green unripe shallot in what you're cooking. I don't mind taking an extra layer. Now, one of the rules I always have when I'm cutting is get rid of your trash. Get it off the cutting board, better yet, get it into a trash can, okay? So just kind of get it out of the way. I like to cook with the trash can next to me so I have it. And then here, easiest way to dice it is I'm going to cut straight down, and I'm going to choose the size of your dice right there. I'm going to choose the size I want by cutting it, and I'm keeping the whole thing together except for that last little bit. Same way I do onions. And then when you get down this end, if you're scared, just let go. It's okay. All right, let it go. Let it go. I cook, I don't sing. All right, here we go. And I'm going to cut straight down to the cutting board. And then once you get it cut straight down, leaving that last little bit connected right here, then I'm going to turn it 90 degrees and you cut all the way through. And you have, again, choosing the size I want right here. See how thick that is, or really how small that is? I have two chances to choose the size of what I'm cutting. The first is right here, and the second is right here. And when you get down to the end, sometimes it'll push through, and that's fine. You just continue on. Get those big chunks, continue on, cut them down, turn them 90 degrees, and cut through. And then you have your diced shallot. Okay, and that's a little piece there. So this thing, where you see people go back and they do this, okay, that's what we call the choppy choppy. We don't like the choppy choppy. Okay? The choppy choppy bruises your ingredients, and instead be intentional. Choose the size you want. Again, choose it right here, and then you're going to turn it and you're going to choose it with a knife right here on that side. And I'm cutting across to get that nice, beautiful diced. And there you have it.